Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is a Chinese 5-spice powder because there are Chinese communities throughout the Caribbean and this one came up, so I thought why not share it. We have fennel seed, star anise, Szechuan peppercorns, cloves and cinnamon. So to start with, I've got my pan on to heat here, and then we're just going to add all of our whole spices into the pan. We want to toast these, and by toasting it, it just releases the aromatic. You want to be careful that they don't burn. As the pan is already hot, they are going to catch very quickly. So just keep them moving around, don't let them stick. When you can see this pan start to smoke, you will also start to smell them. Take them off so that we can grind them. We're going to drop all of our whole spices into the pestle and just pound these, grind them all the way till they are a nice fine powder like. So that's basically the mix done. You can see here it's nice and fine, and honestly it smells absolutely amazing. I'm just going to store this in a jar, and this will keep for a few months if you keep it in a cool, dry place. Keep the container nicely tightly closed when you're not using it. Now I use this particular spice mix in my Guyanese fried rice recipe, which I'll share above, and that was one of the key ingredients that went into marinating the chicken, as you can see here. I hope you like this one. This is just a good one to keep in your store. Until the next time, peace and love.